What if I told you that solving a Codeforces problem could be as simple as flipping switches? Today we are tackling a problem that is all about bitwise operations. If you have ever wondered how computers process binary numbers efficiently, this problem is for you. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am a software developer with more than 5 years of experience, and I am here to help you improve your coding skills by explaining Codeforces problems step by step. If you want to level up your problem-solving game, make sure to stick around. The problem ultra-fast Mathematician gives us two binary numbers of the same length. Our task is to compare them bit by bit and apply the XOR operation. XOR, or exclusive OR, works like this. If two bits are the same, the result is 0. If two bits are different, the result is 1. After applying XOR to all bits, we need to return the resulting binary number. Let's take an example from the problem. We are given two binary strings. N1 equals 11001, N2 equals 10100. We compare each bit using XOR. 1 XOR 1 equals 0. 1 XOR 0 equals 1. 0 XOR 1 equals 1. 0 XOR 0 equals 0. 1 XOR 0 equals 1. So the final output is 01101. First, read the two binary strings. Second, convert them from binary to integers. Third, apply the XOR operation on the two integers. Fourth, convert the result back to a binary string. Fifth, ensure the result has the same length as the input by filling with leading zeros if necessary. Now let's write and execute the solution for this example. 1 and 1 equals input. This reads the first binary string. Darian 2 equals input. This reads the second binary string. Op equals int of n1 base 2 XOR, int of n2 base 2. This converts both strings to integers, applies XOR, and stores the result. Bin of op convert integer to binary. Slicing from index 2, since bin function return converted binary start with 0b. .z fill length of n1. This fills string from left side to match length of n1. So print bin of op, slicing from index 2, .z fill length of n1. This converts the result back to binary, removes the prefix 0b, and ensures the output has the same length as the original input. The solution works perfectly and gets accepted on Codeforces. See? Just like flipping switches, we used Bitwise XOR to solve this problem efficiently. Bitwise operations are powerful tools that help us write concise and optimized code. If you found this helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, drop a comment if you have any improvements or alternative solutions. See you in the next problem.